Copy. Thank you. Have you guys spotted the victim yet?
You got the harness on? He's on. He's on your system right now. Okay. He's gonna give you slack. Ready, Bob? Whenever you guys are ready. All right, sir. They're gonna bring that ladder over, all right? Hey, can you check this a little bit? It's good? Okay. You got it, you got it. Cut it up now. Coming up now. Here, wait up the ladder. Come over to the everybody. Over that side.
High 40 supervisor, 2 command. The patient is in the bucket of